golfing today. Let's hope the weather is friendly. You ready? He's gonna take a walk with me and do some exercise. Right, so I'm gonna go get my ass whooped. And they can hit me. I'm sure they have enough money to take me to the hospital. Oh shit! No, don't hit me.
If you're not hit by a Bentley now.
Right? We should look for a Bentley to get hit.
Yeah.
Hit with. Yeah. So I'm just taking you on a quick journey to my golf club. When I get to the front, I will let you know what's up. Hello to my friends.
Yeah. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for my friend.
Okay.
Me, so.
Coming.
Yeah. How are you though?
Well, I'm okay at the moment.
Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, thank you. Right, so I'm just waiting for my friend and then we're going to tee off soon. Want a little look? I love the greenery. It's calming. Smell the fresh grass, you know. Show them the lush greenery. So that's the clubhouse. I'm gonna head back to the front line. So yeah, let's see.
Today's a championship day.
It has to be, right? Oh my god, I'm in trouble. Whew. Good afternoon, darling. How are you?
Stretch.
I should stretch.
You are taking selfie.
I shouldn't take selfie. See, he has the worst mouth on this planet. I don't know where I pick my friends from, but yeah. Done playing. Very tired.
I am here.
Just gonna try and eat.
I am so.
Looking forward to having dinner or something.
I am so.
Well, his food is here. Mine's not. I'm just waiting for mine. Look at how empty this is. Ew. So my food finally arrived. Well, that's a little bit too much. But yeah, I'm gonna chow down now. Trying to fill my tank. Sorry? Check the. God, I'm so tired. Just trying to fill my tank. I'm gonna have a nice shower and then sleep. I'm supposed to go for karate tomorrow, but I have this inexplicable chest pain that I don't know if I want to risk it. So I might just rest tomorrow. But anyway, buying petrol at what? 6:15, yeah? 6:15. Everything's so expensive now. There you go.
Savings or current?
Correct.
How you do? How you do? You don't start with Alex. You see me.
Thank you. Can you put that on my wallet, please? Oh, that's small. There you go.